I'm going to show you how to change app icons on your iPhone and customize them with any design you like. Google search. Look up Instagram app icon PNG or any other app you want. Once you find an icon you like, save it to your photos. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap on the plus icon. Search for Open App and tap on it. Tap Choose and select the app you want to customize, e.g. Instagram. Now let's change the app icon to the one you downloaded. Tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap on the icon Preview next to the app name. Select Choose Photo. Pick the custom icon from your gallery. Once you're done, now your new app icon is on your home screen. That's it. You've now successfully customized your iPhone home screen with custom app icons. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.